How can you lose a kilogram of weight and how many calories do you need every day? How can you lose a kilogram of weight and how many calories do you require each day based on your body type? In this detailed post about weight loss and calories, we have the answer. Losing weight is a mathematical procedure. You must burn more calories from food and drink than you ingest, since your body will be forced to burn the difference from the fat stored in your body. In the normal case, we consume the same number of calories that our bodies burn, and there is a balance, so your weight does not increase or decrease. If you consume more calories than you burn, your body will store the extra calories as body fat in the belly, thighs, and other areas of the body, resulting in an increase in the size of your face. However, if you consume fewer calories than you burn on a daily basis, your body will make up the difference by turning fat stored in your body into energy, resulting in weight loss. Exercising is crucial, but the most important thing is to eat less than you burn. Duration, 3 minutes and 17 seconds. 3:17. Fuel. Calories are the body's fuel, and they are used for everything from delicate inside cellular operations to sitting and sleeping, sprinting, and weightlifting. 1 kilogram of fat stored in your body equals around 7,700 calories, so to reduce 1 kilogram of weight, you must achieve a negative energy balance of 7,700 calories. For example, if your body requires 2,500 calories per day and you consume 1,400 calories per day, you will have a negative energy balance of 1,100 calories per day, and you will lose 1 kilogram in a week since 1,100 multiplied by 7 days is 7,700 calories. You will drop 1 kilogram in 2 weeks if you remove 500 calories from your daily diet. Is it possible to drop a pound in a week? Yes, although it depends on the individual's physiology, beginning weight, activity and nutrition levels, as well as other factors like stress and hormonal swings. Rapid weight loss, on the other hand, is not suggested because it may indicate that you are not following sensible and sustainable eating habits and that you are burning muscle instead of fat. Is it possible to lose a kilogram without exercising? Yes, as previously said, it is dependent on the mathematics. The issue here is that decreasing weight quickly or without activity may cause the body to lose a significant proportion of muscle rather than fat. You also require muscle and do not wish to lose it. Your body will slump as you lose muscle, and the number of calories you burn will drop, making weight loss even more difficult. Sports, on the other hand, maintain your muscles and help keep your body tight and not flabby, in addition to other health benefits including enhancing mental health, preserving the heart and blood vessels, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, and maintaining sexual ability. What are your calorie requirements? The quantity of energy your body requires on a daily basis is determined by a variety of factors, including movement, age, and gender. As a result, our energy requirements range from person to person, as well as between different times and ages. Men and women have distinct energy requirements due to differing body compositions, according to German nutritionist Sarah Raminger, because men typically have more muscular mass and less body fat. Men require more energy because muscle burns more calories. The role of the members. Organs such as the liver and brain, according to German clinical nutritionist Anja Busse-Westphal, also play a role because they control the majority of the metabolic rate. Despite the fact that the organs only account for roughly 6% of the body's weight, they consume 70% of the body's energy during rest. In old age, energy consumption diminishes, resulting in a loss of muscular mass and an increase in fat, as well as some organ shrinkage. The significance of motion. One of the most crucial variables is movement. Because a person who sits at his computer all day consumes little energy, he should eat only a tiny amount of food. If movement increases, there will be a greater need for energy and a higher rate of energy conversion, allowing more food to be consumed. Metabolic rate total. The basal metabolic rate and the metabolic rate during physical exertion are needed to compute the total metabolic rate, as the basal metabolic rate is the amount of energy the body requires while at rest. The body requires 1 calorie per kilogram of body weight and every hour as a basic metabolic rate. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms requires a basic metabolic rate of 1,680 calories, 70 by 24. The metabolic rate during physical exertion, often known as the physical activity level or simply, PAL, refers to the quantity of energy used by the body during movement and exercise. With physical exercise, the metabolic rate is determined as follows. A score of 1.4 to 1.5 is common for those who work at a desk. A rate of 1.6 to 1.7 is achieved by those who exercise vigorously 4 to 5 times each week. The basal metabolic rate is multiplied by the metabolic rate with physical effort to obtain the total metabolic rate, i.e., the daily amount of energy. 1,680 in either 1.4 or 1.5. People of typical weight can calculate their TMR by multiplying their body weight by 30, which means a 70 kilograms person requires 21 calories.